Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can find my iPhone gray out on your iPhone. As you can see, if you go to the settings into your account, the find my iPhone, it will be grayed out. What you need to do, just go back to the settings, scroll down, go back to the privacy and security option here, go select here, and you need to go to the location services here. Just go to the location services and make sure you have allowed the location services enabled. After doing this, if you come back and you need to go to your account and go to find my iPhone, you make sure that location services is on and iPhone is able to detect out your location. So that's how you can fix my iPhone gray out application, and that's how I think it has sorted your problem. If you still have any other question, just let me know. I'll try to get back to you in next upcoming video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.